Now this question is on difference unchanged and it is age related. Let's discuss. Suresh is 12 years old now. The ratio of his age to his brother's age is 2:3 right now. In how many years would the ratio of his age to his brother's age be 5:7? Now key thing to understand is that for age difference is always remaining the same. Okay, so how to do it? We can come up with a before ratio for Suresh is to his brother. So that is 2:3. And since the difference must be the same, right, what we do is we'll put a different section here. 3 minus 2, the difference is 1 unit. Okay, now in how many years time will the ratio then be 5:7? This is the after case. Okay, the difference right now is 7 minus 5 is 2 units. So we cannot allow this to be different because age difference must be the same. So how do we tackle this? We take this entire ratio and we times by 2 so that these two guys are the same. So 1 times 2 is 2, which is the same as this. Alright, so this will become 4:6:2. Now we have successfully made the difference the same. Okay, and we can use these two set of ratios. So we know that Suresh is 12 years old right now. So right now is 4 units of age. So 4 units of age is 12 years. We can find 1 unit, 12 divided by 4, which is 3. In how many years' time? So I want that 4 units of Suresh age to become 5 units. So I want it to have a difference of 1 unit. Okay, so what is the value of 1 unit? It is just 3. And the answer for this question is in 3 years' time, the ratio will then change to 5:7. Final answer for this question in 3 years' time.